Taro root, which is known as brobe, koliko, and chubu, is what we are having for today. We are going to pair this with fried fish and hot pepper. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. We do cooking recipes here, so if you're interested, do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is actually free and I will be very grateful if you do that. So I have my enchubu here. I'll go ahead and peel off the skin. I have washed it very well already. Whenever I buy them in bulk, I wash them and then put them in my fridge. So I just pick this one from the fridge and I'll just go ahead and peel off the skin. My returning subscribers, thank you for always watching me and sharing my videos. I do appreciate it. If you're watching me from Facebook, thank you for clicking on this video, and please do not forget to follow for more videos. I'll go ahead and then cut the bottom part and then discard it. The other part that you are seeing on the screen is not matured, so I will just discard that as well. Cut this into your any size that you want or any shape that you want, okay, and then you are good to go. I will wash it behind camera and then get back to you. Now we are going to pair this with this fish, and this is so good. It looks like Indian mackerel, okay, but that is not it. I've forgotten the name, but I will leave it on the screen. Thank you so much once again. So I'm going to share with you how we are going to clean this. Very simple and easy. It has some scale on and I've removed it already. So after cutting this, you know, fish eggs taste so good, but with this it is not matured, okay. So I'm just going to remove all the eggs and then remove any other unnecessary parts and discard it. So that is the immatured eggs, okay. If they are matured, oh my goodness, it is so good, but this one it is not. So I'll remove it, and this is how I'm going to clean the head as well. I like fish head. Let me see the fish head lovers in the comment section. That is just by the way. So just look at that. So simple and easy. I am done with that. I'll wash it very well and then put my taro root in my salt water. After that, I have my fish in my water. The water contains garlic, salt and parsley. I will leave it in that for some time. That will be about 30 minutes for the fish and then 10 minutes for the taro root. I'm going to fry this at the same time. Increase the fire under the fish, and then with the taro root the fire will be a bit lower, okay, so that they can be ready at the same time. If the taro root is gets ready before the fish, it may become cold, even though it was very crispy, okay. Yes, that is why I did that. So now after 10 minutes I'll go ahead and then flip the fish to the other side, okay, and then wait for extra 10 or 20 minutes or any time that it will be ready. So now after that I'll go ahead and then attend to my taro root, brobe or enchubu. So now it is ready and our fish is also ready on time. We are going to pair this with hot pepper and it was so delicious. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. I love you.